Anissa Coy here with Firehouse Education, and you guessed it, this week's Ask Anissa video column. And this week, our question came in from Jessica, and it was a really awesome question. I love the way she worded it. She asked, how do I find mutually beneficial partnerships to send work to me and my restoration company? And what I love about her question was the way she phrased it, mutually beneficial. So that's really important to remember, and we'll get back to that in a second. So there are some really great ways to do this. One, you need to really think outside the box, okay, of what we would, normally as restoration companies, well, of course we market to adjusters, and of course we market to homeowners, and we market to agents. Those two, agents and adjusters, they're absolutely great to create beneficial partnerships with, but there's a lot of other companies that you can use. What I want you to think about is service-based businesses, really. The majority of them can be a great partner with you. So those partnerships would be people that would do something inside someone's home. For instance, a great one for especially firework is an electrician. An electrician can easily be someone you could have a great beneficial relationship with, where they can send you work and you can thus send them work or use them on the jobs that they refer you to. Another one, which one of our coaching clients actually had great success with, was a drywaller. So he didn't actually do the drywall work, sheetrock work inside his own business. So he partnered with this person who did that in their company. And so therefore he would obviously get called out when there's been a flood or water loss in their house, or maybe there's a fire. So he would then refer work to the restoration cleaning company to come in and do that side. And of course, the restoration company would thus use them in turn for doing all of their sheetrock work and repair. Now, you can definitely pay a referral source like that, but what I find to be a better way to go is to mutually use them on your jobs, because obviously that's going to be a bigger benefit to them than just writing them a check. The other person that's huge, especially when it comes to fire damage work, is an HVAC company. They are often called, especially when there's even just a light situation that we call like a clean in place or a smoke intrusion. They're one of the first people that get called out by the homeowner unaware of what to do. And they are a great resource for you to be able to have that mutual beneficial partnership with. And of course, there's plumbers. Plumbers are always a big resource, especially when it comes to the water side, but they can also be when it comes to the fire side and the cleaning side of things. Another one would be a cabinet company. Okay, people that would come in and do either redo cabinetry or install new cabinetry or do repairs, they would be a great person as well for you to partner up with. So I hope that gave you several ideas of different companies that you could have. And as I said before, I love the way Jessica said mutual beneficial partnership, because the cool part about this is, again, not just writing a check to a referral source sometimes, but actually creating more value for them in their business, which is what you would do if you're going to use that person on your jobs for the things you would maybe sub out. Of course, there's lots more. There's duct cleaning companies if you don't do that in your company. You may not do carpet cleaning. I don't do carpet cleaning in my company. So I have great partnerships with carpet cleaning companies. The other would be with a drapery company, even an artwork studio. You're going to come across artwork or picture frames and different things that you're going to need to have work done on. They would be a great resource. Someone might actually take some of their artwork in because of a smoke or fire intrusion and say, hey, I don't know what to do with this item. Well, if this company and you have a good partnership together, they may refer that client to give you a call to check out the rest of what's going on in their house, and that could be an awesome way for you to get your foot in the door and be able to get a job out of the deal. So I hope that gave you lots to work on. Of course, having a great referral system set up in your business is really important. And the way that you can go out and start these relationships is to go out and introduce yourself and to have maybe a packet put together, a partnership packet put together, where you can show these people what kind of quality work you do. You're asking people to refer others, their own clientele, friends or family, people that are important to them and to their business, to you to give you work? Well, if you want to ask that of them, then you need to be able to show them, give them a reason why they would want to send someone to you. So having a nice packet put together to be able to show them testimonials from clients, including video, don't forget video testimonials, and the different guarantees that you have and the quality of work and about your company culture and your mission statement could really give you a big way to get your foot in the door, if you will, to be able to open up conversation and start that mutually beneficial relationship that could mean lots of money in your bank account as well as theirs. All right, well, Jessica, I hope that answered your question and gave you some ideas to work on. And please definitely send me questions to Anissa at firehouseeducation.com. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and then tap on that little bell that's by the subscribe button if that's where you're at right now, so that you get notifications when I put up new videos right in your email inbox so you know when they're up. And be sure that you are subscribed to the rnrmagonline.com's e-newsletter so you get this video and lots of other goodies every Friday afternoon in your email inbox. And on that note, I will see you on next week's Ask Anissa video column.